Kanu's detention. Igbo clerics accuse Southeast governors of conspiracy. An inter-religious group, Concerned Igbo Ministers Commission, has stated that the continued detention of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is a demonic scheme against Igbo. In a statement signed by the President, Coordinator, Reverend Tony Uzo Antoni, and the General Secretary, Apostle Tony Ozuji, the group accused Southeast governors of being involved in a conspiracy to keep Mazi Kanu in prison. The statement reads, "We read with keen interest how the Kanu case has taken on a new dimension. Given that the presiding judge has openly refused to obey a Supreme Court decision on the matter, Kanu remains illegally incarcerated in Nigeria, while other individuals who committed significant crimes have been released." The Igbo clerics further stated that they believe that the Southeast governors are involved in a conspiracy to keep Kanu in a perpetual detention for political reasons, demanding for his release before the end of next year, as it could help President Bola Tinubu win the Southeast and South-South states. The inter-religious group urged friends in Nigeria and brothers and sisters in diaspora to reject what they termed as evil, stating that if anything should happen to our son, Kanu, you all will be held liable. Stay informed for real-time updates, breaking news, and exclusive content from NaijaNews TV.